Good day, children. Today we are going to make work experience a letter pad. Okay, this you can use it every day, and we will use things from home only. We will not buy anything from outside. Now look at the things that we need. First, we need a cardboard, any cardboard which you have at home, any waste cardboard. Second, scissor, a pair of scissor. Then any bag which your mother brings, tea powder or peppy or lays, whatever, that plastic, that one bag. Okay, then one dark sketch pen. Then if you want to stick it, sellotape. Here sellotape is not there, I'm only telling. And a clutch which is used by your mother to tie her hair, even any old clutch. Now we will start the video. First of all, we will take a long ruler. Now we are going to start the video. Now step 1, put that bag on your cardboard and cut it along with the ruler in whatever shape it is, because the cardboard will go into the bag, into the pouch. Make a straight line, make 3 dots. Now make a straight line using the 3 dots. Now after you take the measurement of that pouch which you had, it will be straight like this. Now cut the green line. With your ruler, if you don't have scissors also, you can do with your steel ruler also. That is one way. So small children must not take scissors in their hand. Okay, now it's cut. Now put that cardboard inside the. Now cut your pouch straight little. I have cut half to remove the tea powder. Now put the cardboard inside your bag. Put the cardboard inside the bag. Okay. Put it right inside. If your cardboard is too long, cut the excess part with your scissor. Okay, now this is over. Now the last step is left. Take your clutch which your mother wears and put it on top, the clutch. Okay, put it in the middle. Now your letter pad is ready. Now whatever important paper or whatever you want to write, and if you don't have a table, you can use this letter pad. Okay. Now I'm showing you the letter pad. See, your letter pad is ready. You can use it for writing any information, your table or anything. Now you have papers at home, rough papers. You can put it on that, and it can be like a exam pad or a letter pad for you. Okay, so no things you needed from outside. Now you will do this and show me on WhatsApp. Only you'll show the final this on WhatsApp. Don't send the full video.